Now let's talk about how to change the fixture. Replace this jig with this one. When changing the jig and diaphragm, put the configured splice box here. This is a drain valve. It is the excess oil that comes out when changing the jig. Click on the last icon. It corresponds to the oil pan. Pump out the excess oil in the oil pan. Click this. Let there be less oil in the oil pan. You can see that the diaphragm has deflated. It will be more convenient to remove the clamp this way. Then put in the correction plate. Install the protective cover. Press down the clamp. Take out the configured wrench. Take off the protective cover first. There are 2 raised round nails at each end of the wrench. Align the round nails with the round holes of the lower clamp and fix them. Then turn the wrench counterclockwise. If you can't turn it by hand, you can tap the handle of the wrench with the help of a tool. Loose fixture. After loosening the clamp ring with a wrench, turn it by hand. Go until the clamp ring can be removed. You need to lift the upper jig up first. Install a protective cover. Click on the fixture to rise. Remove the protective cover. Hold the upper clamp tightly with your hands. Pull it out down. Rise the altimeter. Take out the upper jig. Unplug the power cord. Turn the clamp ring and remove the clamp ring. Remove the calibration plate. Gently remove the lower clamp.
This is the diaphragm.
Replacing the clamp is done in the same way as the diaphragm. When replacing the diaphragm, lift the diaphragm to drain the oil. After taking it out, just put in new diaphragm. You need to pick up the diaphragm before replacing the fixture to avoid air entering. To make the oil here not pass the O-ring, enter the calibration interface first. Click the bottom button. Click the piston push button. That is, push the oil in the fuel tank into the oil pan. Pay attention when the oil exceeds the height of the O-ring. Click the oil push button again to stop the oil push. Now you can see that the oil has passed through the O-ring. If the oil exceeds too much, in the calibration interface, this remains open. Click the oil outlet button to pump the oil back to the tank. Click again to stop pumping. Now we put in the diaphragm. The diaphragm cannot be directly covered. To touch the oil surface from one side first, slowly lower the diaphragm. Block the air. Take out the new clamp. The round hole on the jig is aligned with the pin below. Keep the diaphragm in the middle position, press and hold. Align the round hole with the pin and slowly press down the fixture. After the lower jig is placed, install the clamping ring. If the clamp ring gets stuck, can't turn around, you can use tools to straighten the clip ring. The clamp ring can be rotated and locked smoothly. Then use a wrench to lock the clamp ring. Be sure to lock it tightly, otherwise, the oil in the oil pan will leak out. Manually lock until it can't be turned. Use the force of the upper clamp to press down to lock the clamp ring again. Install the upper clamp. Connect the connecting cable. Put in the calibration board first. Put on a protective cover. Click on the fixture to press down. Then remove the protective cover. Keep locking with a wrench. Be sure to lock. Avoid oil seeping out of the surroundings of the clamp. Until it can't be screwed. Clamp up. Remove calibration plate. Put on a protective cover. Press the jig down again. Lock the clamp ring again with a wrench. In this way, the clamp ring is locked. Click up Fixture. After replacing the diaphragm and fixture, there is not enough oil. The diaphragm is very deflated. You need to refuel the oil inlet pan. Click the Open Clamp button first. Click on the Push Oil button. Stop refueling when the membrane expands to the height of the fixture. Note, do not put your hand under the fixture to avoid clipping your hand. Now pump the oil from the oil tray back to the tank. Click the tank button first. Click the pump button again. After the oil is pumped, the mark is on the top. Now the diaphragm and fixture replacement is complete. Reset height and pressure clearing. Put in the calibration plate. Install the protective cover. The fixture can only be operated after the protective cover is installed. Press down the fixture. Enter the calibration interface. Make the pressure clear and the height clear. After clearing, return to the test interface. The clamp rises. Remove the protective cover. Remove the calibration plate. Enter the settings interface and select the size of the fixture. Select 55 square centimeters accordingly. Enter the test interface. You can start following the steps to test.